Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to block pop-ups on Google Chrome browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To block pop-ups on Google Chrome browser, go to Google Chrome and click on three-dot icon on upper right corner and then click on settings. In settings, in left pane, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down, then click on site settings. Now scroll down again. Under content, you will find pop-ups and redirects. Click on pop-ups and redirects. Here you will find site can send pop-ups and use redirect is selected by default. Just select do not allow sites to send pop-up or use redirect. This is the easiest way to block pop-ups on Google Chrome browser. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.